Avant-Garde Teacher here. Learning is fun. I may not be a pro, but I always work with what I have. And I hope you have fun learning and doing amazing things. If you like this video, click like. Thanks for watching.
Download and upload a Flipgrid video. This video is rated E for everyone.
Before getting started, Google School District users, make sure student is the only active user account. Log everybody else out. Okay, let's get started. After logging into Google, go to clever.com. Now, the first time you log in, you may get a login screen like this. No worries. Just click on search for your school and type Parker Elementary Aldine, because there are several Parker Elementaries and we don't want to get the wrong one. You're going to log in with Google, so click on Login with Google. If your child's email account doesn't pop up, you just click on Use Another Account and then type their email address in this format. First letter of the first name, first letter of the last name, their student ID number at aldine-isd.org, and then click on Next. Now enter their password. The password will either be Parker 2019 with a capital P, or it will be the first letter of their first name, the first letter of their last name, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 4-digit year, and hashtag, which is Shift 3. And Clever will load. Once in Clever, they will click on Flipgrid. Then Flipgrid will load. They will come right here and enter the code that their teacher has provided. Then click the arrow. Then you'll click Sign In with Google. Verify the account that you'll be using to sign in by clicking on it. And it will open the Flipgrid to get started. Once here, the student will press the plus sign, the white plus sign in the green circle, and they are ready to record. Then they'll just follow the prompts. You'll want to allow the microphone and camera on your computer. Please click allow. Then when it comes up, they will press the record, the little camera icon in the red, and they can record their answer to the prompt. If they mess up, it's easy. Just have them click on the little red trash can and redo. Then confirm it and click on the red camera icon and record again. Once they're happy with what they've recorded, you're going to click Next. It'll let you review it. And click Next. Then you're able to take a selfie. So go ahead, get ready, and take your selfie. Then you can choose to add one or two things to your selfie. You can add drawings, stickers, text, highlights, or custom stickers in your computer drive. But only one or two. Only one or two. And if you mess up, you can clear the whole thing and start again. Just remember, only adding 1 or 2 drawing stickers, text, highlights, or custom stickers. Only 1 or 2. I didn't follow directions. All right, so once you are done, you're going to type your name that you want to have displayed with it, and then you're going to add a title, and then you're going to click Submit Video. Once your video is submitted, it will say congratulations. Then, and only if you're given instructions to download the video and upload it to Google Drive, will you click download video. And then you'll click again, download video. Only download the video. You don't need to download the selfie unless those are the directions. And then I'm going to show you how to upload it into Google Drive. Okay, so now your video has been downloaded and it's in your download folder. So you will go back into Google, open another tab, and you're going to go to the Google Drive. And the Google Drive, to find it, you will go to the 9-dot array. Then Google Drive will open. And once you're in Google Drive, you'll click on New. Click on File Upload. Be careful, not folder, File Upload. Then click on the Flipgrid file you downloaded, and then click Open. And then you should see it saying that it's uploading, and it'll tell you when the upload is complete. If you try to click on it too early, you'll get this error message. Do not download it yet. Wait until it completely processes. Now, once we have the video in Google Drive, it is ready to be uploaded into whatever document we want. And you're done! You've successfully recorded your first Flipgrid, downloaded it, and uploaded it into Google Drive. I hope you learned something that you can use. Thank you for watching.